Hey there! Today we're going to tackle a common problem that many of us have encountered at some point. The issue we're dealing with involves problem. Picture this. You're in the middle of a task on your device, and suddenly problem pops up out of nowhere. Frustrating, right? Now, let's talk about the solution to this annoying problem. The key to resolving problem is solution. By implementing solution, you'll be able to overcome problems swiftly and efficiently. It's a simple yet effective fix that can save you a lot of time and hassle in the long run. It's important to note that solution has been tried and tested by many users facing the same problem. The positive feedback and success stories speak for themselves. So why not give solution a shot and bid farewell to problem once and for all? In summary, problem can be a real nuisance, but with solution at your disposal, you can easily overcome it. Don't let problems slow you down or dampen your spirits. Take charge, implement solution, and get back to enjoying a smooth and hassle-free user experience. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Stay awesome, tech-savvy peeps.